Hello. This is what happens when you live on a dead end. Look at this. This is a lot of snow. So I mean, I did a nice job. We're gonna take a walk through the neighborhood. Look at this. Wow, that's a mountain. I mean, I'm tall, but this is like right to my head. Look at this. Beautiful. Woo, slippery. This is a car right here. But the car is covered. I mean, it's like, that's all you can see. Alright, so here we go. Here we go. Wow, nice, right? Nice. Look at this. The car's under there. And here's my... I think I got the nicest sidewalk. There we go. So this is my job. And now this is our plowed street. Look at this. This is embarrassing. People fucking dumping snow in the middle of the fucking road. I mean, why would these people put snow in the middle of the fucking road? I don't know.
Where are you gonna put the starlight here?
No, this is going on YouTube. Look at this. Our street is unplowed.
You plowed your one time last night.
The street is unplowed and everybody's dumping snow in the middle. They're never gonna come by here.
Well, they're gonna have to eventually.
Yeah, but I mean, where's this snow gonna go? It's gonna go back right next to your car.
I know. There's no place to put it. That's the whole thing.
Well, I know. It's embarrassing that they just forget about our street.
I know.
No, it's pretty bad. Look at this. Look at them stupid motherfuckers. Putting snow in the middle of the road. How fucking brain ass is that? You know? So, barely making it down the street. Somebody got out. Somebody got out. And then you get over here. And the streets are plowed. There's normal traffic. This street is plowed. That's all good. Well, what happened to Beach Street? Fucking Beach Street's unplowed. They don't give a fuck about Beach Street.
Nope.
And the fire station's right here. We should just call them there's a fire down the street. Let's see if they can make it. It's embarrassing. And everybody's dumping snow in the middle of the road. Yeah. What are they, retarded? It's gonna go back on their car anyways. How you doing? This is where the garbage begins. This is all the fucking retarded people over here. All these, look at this, look at this. See that? That's crazy. These people over here, they blocked this guy's sidewalk. This guy's sidewalk is not getting done. His steps, it's an old guy, he's handicapped, he can't do shit. This guy's better off just not doing nothing. I'm not doing nothing. This is crazy. Look at this. Wow. My neighbor's trying to get out. It's not gonna happen. Don't even shovel this. They're gonna shovel. It's gonna go back on your car.
I'm just going to get somewhere to get through.
Oh, good luck. Look at this. Knee-deep shit. This guy over here, Mr. fucking handicapped. With this shit. Can't even drive that car. Anyways, so there's Beach Street for you. And my beautiful sidewalk right here. You know, professional, big ass mountain. Somebody's tapping. That's my mom up there. So, alright guys. Like I said, there's a car under there. And here's my finishing touches here. Wow. This is freezing up really bad, so it's not good. I didn't even get to this yet. I yet have to go through here to the shed to there. You can see that's like about 2 feet of snow. Alright guys.